Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with Swapnil. In previous 9 videos, I have explained about different tools like column filter, sorting and all these things. And today I will show you one more important tool, which is nothing but the column expression. Okay, so what is column expression? Let's say if you are previously using Ultrix, then for the calculation purpose you do a formula tool, right? So same here, if you have to do a complex or simple calculation, then you can use the column expression. Okay, so if you in the node, if you type column expression, okay, so this is the tool called column expression legacy that you can use. But before that, we need a data to do some calculations. So for that, we always use table creator. Okay, table creator is the best tool. In Ultrix also there is a tool called text input or something like that, dynamic input something, that in that we can add columns and rows and all these things. The same we can use it over here. Let's say if you if you double click on it, it will open like this. Okay, I want name. Okay, it should be a file name. Let's consider it as a file name. I have one scenario. Okay, I will explain, and I will click on OK. File name, you can drag it, and okay, if you double click on it, it will open in a proper way now. Okay, you can use as a file name. Okay, what is the name? Can you let's say address, not an address, let's say city. Consider file name, city wise file name. Okay, you can name it as a okay city, and let's add one more. I just double click on it, it will open in expanded view, but if you just patiently click on it, and it will open in a single window. Okay, I want to do some calculations based on numerical values. So let's say sales, it should be in integer. Okay, and okay, it should be, let's consider a dummy data. Okay, product price, product QTY, quantity. Okay, no, I don't want sale, it should be price. Sales we will calculate. Okay, and this should be not in a string, it should be in also integer. Okay, now we have columns. Let's add some data. Test file, city 1A, price will be 22, product quantity will be 10. Okay, let's say second will be let's consider ABC file. Okay, city will be Nagpur, price will be, let's say, 35, quantity will be 10. Again, let's add PQR file, city will be Pune. Okay, price will be, let's say, 10, and quantity will be 5. I want sales, and I was also we will add data also in that. Okay, okay, so this is how I have created some sample data. Okay, now let's say if you want, we can do a different kind of calculation in column expression, complex as well as the simple also, as I explained earlier. Okay, now if I play this, okay, so before that, this is a column expression node. If you click on a setting, so this is how it will look. Okay, there are 4 buttons. Okay, plus means you can add, means how many output columns you can add. Based on that, it will create. If I click on plus, then this much columns it created. If you think I don't want this much of columns, then the negative is nothing but a delete. So column 3 will be delete, column 2 will be delete, or if you highlight particular column, that output column will be deleted. Okay, let's say if you have scenarios where you are doing some calculations, different calculation on different output columns, And if you want to sort, if you want to arrange that column, let's say column 2 should be at the top, then what you can do, you can use this arrows. Okay, so if you click on up, it will go up. Let's say this column should be on a second position, or let's say if you think 2 should be on the down, then this is how you can do it. But I don't want this much of column. Okay, so I will remove that by using the minus. Okay, and from here type, you can change the data type of that. Okay, so let's say if you want to calculate the current time, so now is the function where you can get time as well as the date. So if you see, it's coming in a year, month and date format, plus we have time 24 hours format, 1941. Currently it's 7:42. I have 12 hours of format. Okay, and these are the milliseconds. We don't want milliseconds, so we will remove that in future. But this is how you can use a now function. Okay, you can use variables also. Variable I can explain later. But if you have existing column, then you can use that. In the previous node, we created file name, city, price and quantity. This column we can use it again. If you want to use particular function, then these are the different function that you can use. Let's say we currently use a now function. Okay, or we can use a today function also. What if you want to make comments? Okay, means highlight or mark it as a comment when you are doing some coding, then you don't want that extra, means you want to make a comment. Okay, so for that you can use what you can say backward slash, right? Okay, so this is called backward slash. So it's now in a green format, so which means it's commented out. Okay, so now it will not run, only below code will run. So from the today you will get only a date, but now you will get date plus time. So it's depend on you what you want to use. Okay, I will comment it out today. Okay, so this will consider as current date. Okay, let's say. Okay, now if you click on evaluate, you will get the result of that. Whatever the function you have used or whatever the formula you have used, you will get the output. Miss kind of a preview option, and if you click on apply, this setting will be applied to your node, and you just click on OK. And if you play this, now I have date for all 3 rows. Okay, now so this is one of the simple example that I have given to you about the column expression. If you are not aware about this, basically if you are new to the KNIME, okay, let's consider I want to calculate sale based on the price and the product quantity. So for that, as I explained earlier, plus icon, if you click on a plus icon, the new output column will be created. You have to just let's say sales. Okay, so sales should be in a in a double format, right? Number double, or you can use it at an integer also, but what if you have decimal points? So yeah, and the current date you can make it as local date. Okay, it will not work, so you have to convert it. We have different nodes for the converter, but you can currently park it as a string. Where is the string? Okay, this is okay, we want a sale, right? So how you can calculate sales? You can use a price multiplied by very basic price and product quantity. Okay, so if you use this too, you will get the sale. Okay, so if I click on apply, okay, and okay, so if I play this, you will get the sales, right? 22 into 10, which is 220, 35 into 10, which is 350, 10 into 50 means 50. Okay, so these are the different functions you can use it in the column expression. You can use, if you go to the advanced, you can do more advanced things. Okay, flow variables, if you have some variables from you are doing some advanced calculation, then you can use it. Memory policy you have. Okay, so just focus on, because we are currently new to this, so just focus on the expression. The rest of the things we will do it later. Okay, let's say I want to if the changes, if you are not applying new changes, then node will not reset. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to consider. Now let's consider I have time. So if you have time, I want to extract only uh, uh, till 1945, means till time. Okay, so what you have to do, you can use a substring function. This is one of the function that we can use, but before that you have to count. It start from 0. You have to mention the length, means how much of length you need it. So let's say 0 1 2 3. You have to consider underscore also. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 45, after 45 means till 45 it's 16 count. Okay, so if I use let's consider new date. Okay, consider it, and then you can use str, which is a substring function. Then you have to mention the column name. Your column name is what? You don't have column name? Okay, so you cannot use this because we from this particular node you are calculating that date, current date, by using this now function. So to use your current date, you have to use one more node called column expression. Then only you can use column. Okay, so column expression. So but in Alteryx, if you observe, you can do same. If you are creating a new column also, same thing you can do in a single formula tool. But here you have to do multiple things. Multiple nodes. So to get okay, let's consider as a new date. Okay, we want to use substring. Okay, so first you have to mention your date column. Okay, so my current date. Then we just calculate it. We need till time. So 0, it start from 0, and then you have to use it till 16. So if I use this, then if you click on evaluate, you will get t means time and this 1945. Till now you will get the proper data. Means if you want to trim down particular thing or any substring or any character or any word, something like that, then you can use you need to mention starting and ending point, and this is how you can get substring function. If I click on apply, okay, now see, so new date is till 9:45 or 45. So this is how you can calculate there. So these are the different functions. I just want to explain you that these are the different basic functions that you can use in a column expression. Let's do one more thing. I want to concatenate file name plus new date. So what you will do is you have to use one more column expression. Okay, because in the same you can't use it. Okay, so now my final, let's consider that new column will be final file name. Okay, so in that, what you have to use it, you have to, because I want a join, right? Join on the file name, right? This is, where is the file name. Okay, after that I want to give some space. If you want some space, then you can use it, double quote, under that you can give a space. Then I need a new date. Okay, and if I close this, and if you evaluate it, basically concatenate in our if you can say it simply. Okay, so test file plus space. If I remove space with this underscore, then see, it added underscore. So based on your criteria, what you have to use it, you can use it accordingly, and you can do the operations. So if I play this, so this is how okay, you can adjust the size also. Okay, now you can see test file and this is the new date format. So I merged both. So this is how you get the final file name. So these are the different functions that I personally, means I have explained you at very basic level. you can use multiple functions from here and do the calculations, as I said earlier. So this is how you can you can use a column expression in your ETL journey, extract, transform and load. So if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.